Hello everyone, my name is Akshat Chare and continuing with hashtag DrGViswanathan's challenge question number 3044, reverse list linked list to sorry for the background disturbance if it's coming. Actually I am recording this in one area. Well, this is an interesting question, I must say, because see, there are so many problems out there, but some problems really touches you. Why, you may ask? Because there's some small tweaks and turns in the questions, so that in this question, see, this question can be done pretty easily just by using some sort of maybe data structure list array. So this is the solution, and this solution is actually a little big solution. There is a possibility of a smaller solution which I have seen uh, after submitting. So, but still, this is a very good solution. Actually, in this solution, you have an extra helper function and two rightmost and leftmost node. So, yeah, this is the question solution and space and time complexity. So, thank you for watching my videos, and I will post more videos